G'day skate champions and welcome to Transition Tuesday Season 3 Episode 13. I'm out at Bracken Ridge Skate Park, the multi-million-dollar extravaganza on the north side of Brisbane. And I've got the place to myself. There's so much to do here, but I'm here for one thing and one thing only, and that is this beautiful 3-foot quarter. To practice today, hopefully, I don't know what the number is, maybe 25 tricks on. And I feel like it's got everything that I need to take my tricks to that next level. I skate a 2-foot at my local, so this 3-foot here is going to be perfect. It's got ideal coping, it's very smooth, and it's got a really nice mellow transition, which I prefer to skate on. So yeah, going to do 25 tricks from Mini Ramp trick list. They're linked down below. Wish me luck. I'm going to pad up and get stuck into these guys. All right, kicking off the 25, got the drop in and rock to Fakie. These guys just sort of settle the nerves. Rock and roll really just sets you up, gets you used to the transition. And then the feeble stall and of course the trusty old axle stall, both really just sort of like, for me personally, get me ready for the height dropping back in and how high I really need to be getting and the speed to push up the transition that you're about to attempt. So yeah, they're done. I had heaps of trouble with the Fakie tail stall. My confidence just dropped dramatically. Took me ages to get that one. It was a confidence thing really. Backside slash grind, pretty easy for me. Frontside slash grind, another one that really gets under my skin. Took me another few more sets than I really wanted to get a good one. And then we rolled into the half cab rock and rolls, which is it's one of the tricks that I really like to do. And then the half cab rock. I worked on that for a bit just to try and get one that I was really happy with, but yeah, I see trouble ahead in the next set of 5, but we're just going to keep moving on. Super surprised by the switch rock. I'd been doing Fakie rocks previous to this and I really focused on staying in the switch stance and pretty pleased with the outcome. Fakie frontside 50-50, this was going to be difficult because I was doing it before I was doing my regular frontside 50-50s, but I got it and I tried a couple of them because I was trying to like pop out of the coping, but each time I was just landing in sort of like a decker out. That was something I struggled with on the 2-foot, so no surprise here. And then the frontside 50-50s, which followed suit, so I kind of got those a little bit quicker, but the same issue occurred with the decker out. The Fakie pop rock wasn't too bad, just had to work on the speed getting onto that one. And then I was happy to finish this set with a back Smith, more comfortable for me. And yeah, happy to roll away. But I'm absolutely drenched. That's 15 tricks down, 10 to go. I'm going to take a water break and then we'll get back into it. I got a bit lucky with the next few. Backside 5-0 stalls, well and truly in my wheelhouse. Kind of felt a bit of more of a pivot, but you know, I'll take it. Backside wheelie tap, I was going way too fast for these. I think I just forgot just how basic they are. And then another one of my favorites is the, I guess it's the no name trick. Also the Gturn Disaster frontside, where you just do like a power slide to disaster. Now Fakie front Smith really struggled with these guys a few weeks back, so I had to take them back to the 2-foot. But as soon as I was able to get sort of my weight up a little bit, felt pretty good about this one. Would have liked to have sort of lifted the front trucks up a little bit closer to the coping, but I'll take it for today. And then I was really worried about this one earlier, the frontside rock and roll. I'd actually injured myself on this exact coping a few years back doing this trick. Surprised myself a little bit that I got it quite early and quite comfortably. And went back to get 2 to make it true back to back, and yeah, that was also surprising but super stoked. But now we're at the tail end of the 25 and we're so close, we just got to keep moving forward. First up in the next set was the Fakie backside Smith. To be honest, I found this a little bit more comfortable than the Fakie frontside Smith, but only marginally, and it really didn't show that much in the final product. Tricks 22 and 23 were the flyouts and the roll-in. I'd worked on these in the previous 2 videos. If you'd watched those, you'd recognize that these aren't really comfortable for me because of how shallow the platform is here. Kind of trying to do like a 90, and then I thought I'd just combine the 2 and roll back in. There was no way I was going to roll in by manualing off. It was always going to be all 4 wheels on surface at any one time. But the last 2 tricks are up, both new to this season, so we'll just knock them out of the park, hopefully. I switched these 2 rounds, so I was doing 25 first. That was because I wanted to just get comfortable with my switch drop in. So it just took a little bit of getting past those nerves. That was all in preparation for the final 25th trick, the nose stall. It's just the opposite to a tail stall, right? Shouldn't be too hard. Wrong. It was really just the process of shifting your weight onto your front foot as you do with the tail stall and straightening it. But yeah, just getting that through my brain was a different story. But after an undisclosed number of attempts, I got it and it was all locked in. I went to get 2 to make it true, and super happy to roll away. So that is 25 tricks from Mini Ramp Trick List. I think he's close to 50 on his Instagram, so this is half of them, and I was really, really pleased to take it to the 3 foot today. I know there's a lot of improvement to be made on a few of them, and I'd like to get some of them a little bit quicker than I really did. So some surprised me, some annoyed me, and that's just skateboarding, I suppose. And that's it for another week. Remember to keep skating, keep having fun, and of course, keep progressing. Take it easy, legends.